commercial level, which is formed by the silkworm. ठीक है, silkworm is the worm which produce the silk for us. That is one part. कि silk that is formed is a raw material. Then it is processed and form the final goods, that is silk which is woven as a cloth, different type of silk cloths. ठीक है, in our country its place is, I already told you, the third place of the world. ठीक है ना, such high ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ ਕਦਾ silkworm. Here is the life history. This silkworm, they take the food. The silkworm, it has 4 stages of, one is egg, larva, pupa and adult. This larval stage, it's a larval stage. This is a very active stage. The quality of the silk, that is depend upon the larva which take the food. The food is mulberry. In our state, this silk is formed from this mulberry. Okay, there are so many type of silk, Tussar silk, Kashmiri silk, but preferably the silk which is formed in our Punjab state, that is from the mulberry plant. There are different hosts, but in our state is mulberry. This is okay with everyone? Yes. Now this we can see from this. Here is egg, larva. It's a larva, that is, which I already told you, the quality of the silk, that is exclusively depend upon the larva which they take the food. That means the industry, sericulture industry, this is the larval stage. ठीक है ना, this is pupal stage, and last one is called adult. I think clear to everyone. Yes. You can see later on. This larval stage, which is called the, this is called caterpillar, which is a voracious feeder. Voracious feeder means, write down the definition of voracious feeder, who take the huge food, large amount of food that is taken by this caterpillars. I think its life history is complete life history, which is consist of egg, larva, pupa and adult. The eggs, they are white in color and they are round in shape and adhesive with each other. These are the and white in color. ठीक है, they give this eggs in the leaves of the mulberry tree. ठीक है, so one thing कि the quality of silk is depend upon the caterpillar, but that is also depend upon the mulberry also. how much mulberry they got means कि they can flourish by taking the good food. The good food that is formed from mulberry, that is taken. So we should have three parts of this. One is quality of mulberry, huge number of mulberry. Secondly, caterpillars rearing. Rearing means पालना, domesticated ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀਤੇ ਦਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਨੇ ਆ. There are so many silk worms, they are reared in the villages, है ना? That is sericulture industry. That is called the sericulture industry. Why it is called industry? Because we rear them according to that industry, that is the sericulture industry, which is related with the silk quality. ठीक है ना? Silk quality that is depend upon the mulberry they got. Second is most active state, that is called the caterpillar. Caterpillar, they are large in number. They have segmented body. It has head, thorax, abdomen. This is head, thorax, abdomen. There is mouth parts, maxillary, maxilla, there is eyes, or they have number of legs in the thorax part and stout legs in the abdominal region. Voracious feeder that I have told you. The body is segmented body, which we can see from here. The larva, which contain segments, 10 segments. Abdomen has 10 segments. You can number them. Last segment that has claspers. That has claspers. This is clear. It has 1 to 10 segments. One important thing is this, कि this caterpillar, they further have number of stages. First instar, second instar, third instar, fourth instar and fifth instar. Means पहला छोटा जा होता है, then it is molting is there and become the second instar. वो थोड़ा जा size च, that is larger in size. Then is molting takes place and third is takes place. After that fourth and fifth. ठीक है ना? This is further have number of stages. One life cycle as egg, larva, pupa and adult. Larval stage, which is an active stage, that has again so many number of sub stages, which is called the instars. First, second, third, fourth. After this, they change into that is changed into cocoon. Cocoon is a broad on both sides, upper and lower side, and narrow in the middle. ठीक है ना? This is the shape of the cocoon. After the 28 days, this larva is changed into the pupa, which is called the cocoon. No doubt it is a pupal stage, and this is passive stage, means resting stage. ठीक है ना, एक ढेर सारा खा लेंदा. Now metabolic changes there takes place in the cocoon stage. ठीक है. The sericulture, the silk which we take is from this stage. I will tell you the how we get the silk. Then the structure of this silk moth is internal structure. This is the external structure. Now we form the internal structure. No doubt it is a cruel method. We sacrifice many cocoons. We sacrifice many cocoons for our silk formation. This is a very cruel method. I will tell you how it is so much cruel. One interesting story. I think this is clear to everyone. Yes. After this is a passive stage. They remain passive, and after week it is changed into a adult silk worm. मैं सिल्क वॉर्म का दसिया सी या जिन्ने भी वॉर्म्स है दे आर ऑफ बिलोंग्स टू विच क्लास लेपिडोप्टेरा ऑर्डर लेपिडोप्टेरा उन्हें दसिया ही ना जिन्हें च कैटरपिलर है वो सारे किस दे होंदे है इट हैज adult which has number of wings, 2 wings, it immediately fly, or they have 3 pair of legs, antenna, legs दिखाई देंगे सानू. One thing important is its lifespan of this caterpillar. This is very less. They once copulate and dead. They once copulate and then dead. Female lay eggs and then die. ठीक है ना. Now again this cycle takes place. I think this is clear to you. One very interesting story with the sericulture is that no country in the world knew how to form a silk. No country in the world knew how to form a silk. By which it formed, which insect or what make the silk except the China. They don't share it to, they don't want to share it to any country. But everyone is interesting how it is formed. Some moke from the Japan. Some moke ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਬਿਕਸ਼ੂ ਜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੁੱਧਿਸਟ ਵਾਲੇ ਬਿਕਸ਼ੂ, that is migrated to the China and become they are start to living there. ठीक है ना. And that become the part of that country or that particular place जिथे की हुंदा सी there is formation of silk है ना. Living there he slowly knows that is called the monk. Monk slowly knows how to form a silk, and there he stolen the process by which the silk is formed. After that he went to his own country and start processing that. Then it generalized to every country. Then this technology is familiar with every part of the country, and they start forming the silk. This is the history. When you write, first we write definition, principle, and then history, then life cycle. Okay. Second, we clear 2-3 things. One is industry is depend upon the this silk caterpillar stage. Secondly, maximum industry is depend upon it. Now we start how to form the silk. This is up to here. Everything is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Order is Lepidoptera. Now start with the first. The rearing. Rearing means palan of caterpillar. We can rear these caterpillars because we don't have cocoons. That is the passive stage. Adult you can't find. There are so many sericulture centers in each state. Even in small centers, some are state sericulture offices, other are the center sericulture office. In our area vicinity, there is in Sujanpur. There is one sericulture office in the Sujanpur. The farmers, they do the farming, and by it another task they do, they take the these eggs from the sericulture office and rear them in their own garden या छोटे से जड़े उन्होंने बनाए गए. This is a cottage industry. Cottage industry. और मैक्सिमम जान के खुश होगी तुमते कुड़ियाँ कि दिस इज डन बाय द फीमेल्स. दे गॉट द एक्स्ट्रा इनकम बिकॉज द पेशेंस इज विद फीमेल्स ओनली. तो पत्ते रूम च उन्होंने रखना टू मेनटेन दैट टेम्परेचर बिकॉज दे वर्क एट ए दीज कैटरपिलर्स दे वर्क एट ए पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर, ए पर्टिकुलर मॉइस्चर. Although diet is a very important, but these conditions, environmental conditions, that should also be favorable for these caterpillars. At the what temperature the molting this takes place, at what moisture there should be moisture. और rearing किस तरह करने हैं? They form the bed. ठीक है. और ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਪਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ? Cotton. Or there is one blotting paper, and then we rear these caterpillars. Along with mulberry leaves. ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖੇਤਾਂ 'ਚ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਖਾਓ. ਮਤਲਬ rearing means domesticate them. Domesticate them. This is mulberry leaf, pieces of small mulberry leaves. Or they time to time they change this paper क्योंकि गिल्ला हो जाएगा है ना. तो then change this paper. और properly rearing means such type of caring, गंदा ना होवे सारा, so that they knead them and throw this paper and put these caterpillars to new one. ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ blotting paper which they form for their bedding. I think this much is clear to everyone. Yes, है ना. Now this when they change into after first molding, second molding, third molding, fourth molding, fifth molding, that is continue 28 hours for the sana 28 days. After that, that is there is transitional change, that is cocoon. है ना? Then there is formation of such type of cocoon. Another part of story is that also the farmers, they also take this cocoon by weighing them. weigh करके इन्हों ਨੂੰ मिलते हैं कि इन्ने cocoon लेने हैं, इन्ने cocoon दे दो, ठीक है? Industries. One part is cottage industry is this rearing. Then this is again they give it to the sericulture office, and the sericulture officers or some other subordinate, they give them to the industrial part. They take this rearing. Why this stage is very important? The silk quality is totally depend upon this cocoon. This totally depend upon this cocoon stage. No doubt how much they take food and quality of food. The process is a then very merciful process. But merciful process here, first they take them and boil them. They boil them in the water. गर्म पानी के विच पा देंगे ते the animal which is present inside it, that is dead. When it is a dead, then we take the this threading process. This is a very merciful. as करके सिल्क के कपड़े नहीं पाने चाहिए, है ना? ते then ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਇਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨੇ cocoon ਨੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਕੜ ਰੱਖੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੇ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਗਈ. Now they starts from one side thread ਨੂੰ ਤੇ second process is reeling. ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, there is reeling, rotating that so that the silk that become the thread is not broken anywhere. If it is broken, कि इत्थों टूट गया गंढा पै गया, that means the quality of silk is very poor. Because ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਲਕ ਦਾ ਕੱਪੜਾ ਪਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਉਹ 'ਚ ਗੰਢਾ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੀ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ, है ना? It should be of fine quality. ਤੇ ਉਹ process ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਿਆ? Thank you very much. ठीक है.